Hey everyone! Today we're diving into an essential topic for electricians, engineers, and DIY enthusiasts: building wiring systems. A properly installed wiring system ensures safety, efficiency, and long-term reliability. So, let's get into 5 crucial tips that will make your wiring projects top-notch. Tip 1. Plan your wiring layout before installation. Before you start any wiring, always plan. Map out the wiring system, considering power outlets, lighting, and appliance connections. This step prevents future issues and ensures compliance with safety codes. Use software like AutoCAD or simple sketches to visualize the layout. Tip 2. Choose the right wire size and type. Using the right wire size is crucial. Undersized wires can overheat and cause fires, while oversized wires may be unnecessarily expensive. For residential wiring, commonly used sizes are 14 AWG and 12 AWG for lighting and outlets. Also, ensure you use the right insulation type based on the environment: THHN for dry locations and UFB for underground wiring. Tip No. 3. Follow proper conduit installation practices. Conduits protect your wires from physical damage and environmental factors. Use PVC conduits for underground wiring and metal conduits for industrial setups. Ensure smooth bends to prevent wire damage, and always secure conduits properly with clamps to avoid sagging. Tip No. 4. Prioritize grounding and circuit protection. Never compromise on grounding. A properly grounded system protects against electric shocks and fires. Always connect grounding wires to the main panel and use high-quality circuit breakers or fuses to prevent overloads. Installing GFCIs, ground fault circuit interrupters, in wet areas like bathrooms and kitchens is also a great safety measure. Tip No. 5. Test and inspect before finalizing. Once wiring is installed, don't rush to close walls or panels. Always test circuits using a multimeter to check voltage, continuity, and polarity. Conduct insulation resistance tests to detect hidden faults. Also, follow local electrical codes and get professional inspections where required. And there you have it. 5 essential tips for a safe and efficient building wiring system. Remember, good wiring ensures not just functionality, but also safety. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more engineering tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.